What's happening, everybody? Mike here with Delta. It is currently sweatshirt weather again. It's August the 1st and we are at 57 degrees here in mid-Michigan. And guess what? We're headed over to East Lansing. We're going to do a no cooling call. Stay tuned. We are here looking at this Rude unit. What I understand is that the air conditioner comes on, but there's no airflow. So we're going to test to see if we got anything coming through the motor. Go from there. Alright, I just heard the relay kick in, and we've got nothing. Let me check the capacitor. I'll check to make sure that we're getting power to the motor. Make sure I don't have a board problem. It's a great magnet there. So what I should do is, first of all, let me go ahead and remove the call for cooling. So I'll just take the outside contactor right out of the equation here. That way I'm not turning on the compressor each and every time I test this. Oh, she's trying. Okay. All right. Let me feel that. Oh, I can hear it. I can definitely hear it. Let's go ahead and hope that it's loose. Oh, I think we're gonna get lucky. All right. I wasn't even sure if that was going to work. Wow, I thought the one I had before, a couple weeks back, was easy. That's incredible. Now we're up here, let's change out the capacitor. By the way, hello SPMC. Welcome to the family. Good boy. Alright guys, I think this is going to put a wrap on this one. Thank you for watching. I'll check you guys out on the next one.